Hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC. So before we get started, I would like you guys to be able to see all the upcoming videos. So please hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed down below, and you'll get tons of supply chain operations and content on Google Workspace, which includes Google Sheets, Google Slides, and all that good stuff. We're also available to answer questions when you comment down below. So hit the subscribe button, click that bell notification so you can get your updates right away. And we'll see you each week as we post videos. This week we're going to learn one of the more basic tips on Google Sheets, and that's how to rename a file that you have in Google Worksheets. So there's a few different ways that we're going to look at here, so you'll have multiple options for renaming. So let's jump right in. The first and most basic way is when we have our sheet open already. You can just come right up here to your name and click on it. You'll see even as you hover over, it'll say rename. So we're just going to put down test 1 sheet. And that's it. You'll click on it and you're all done. The sheet has been renamed. Now, another way that you can rename it that's kind of cool is you click on the file, come down here, click on rename. It'll highlight that same text box right there, and we'll put test 2 sheet, hit enter, and that's it. Your Google Sheet's been renamed. Another really quick way you can do is you click on this menu and you'll see the rename pops up right away, but if it doesn't pop up right away, what you can do is type in rename and then it'll come up. And that'll highlight that again. And we'll click test 3 sheet. We'll hit enter and our sheet has been renamed. Now let's say we're over in our drive. So here we are in our Google Drive and we've got our sheet right here that we would like to rename. Now there's a few different ways that we can do it here. The first one is we can click on these 3 dots, select rename, and we can say test 4 sheet. We hit enter and the sheet's been renamed. So if we go back to it, you'll see that it's updated right there. Now if we jump back to our drive, the other way is we can right click on it and then we can hit rename. We can put test 5 sheet. We hit enter again, and then if we jump back to our sheet, we'll see that it's updated right there. So there's 5 different ways that you can rename a Google Sheet inside of Google Workspace. Hope you liked this video. If it helped you out, smash that like button and feel free to comment down below with any questions or comments that you have, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We'll see you right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.